Welcome to 8 Emerald Hill. This gorgeous family home, located in a quiet, established cul-de-sac within an easy walk of all Havelock North schools, has been completely transformed. Utilising the quality of a 1950s build and adding to it during a major renovation, our vendors have created a home that is both easy to live in and easy care. A large, light-filled, open-plan kitchen, dining, living room flows to the deck and very private established garden with mature trees. The master bedroom with ensuite is separate from the children's bedrooms, which both open to the rear garden. All bedrooms are generous in size. A separate WC and family bathroom adjoin the kids' wing. Off the rear deck is a separate rumpus room which offers a great second living space for kids or work from home office. An adjacent storeroom with barn doors is perfect for garden equipment and toys. The extra large double garage accesses the house via a porch and off-street parking is plentiful. Properties on Emerald Hill are highly sought after and we expect huge interest in number 8. Contact us today for comprehensive information and to arrange a private viewing.